Spark up your classroom with augmented reality. Hi, this is Alina from LibXR app, and we create augmented reality educational toys. This is LibXR Augmented flashcards. These are like regular flashcards. But the LibXR app, flashcards are no longer boring. Not only can the user learn from facts and information, they can also witness the images come alive. If you can see them, you can interact with them. Touch, turn the screen, explore, and observe. Kit has a set of 100 plus 3D flashcards containing space, dinosaurs, fruits, vegetables, animals, underwater world, vehicles, birds, and many more. Take education to a brand new learning horizon. Call now to bring LibXR to your school.